Welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. Very, very quick one. How to replace your cabin filter on your Honda CRV. This is a Mk3. So, glove box, pinch the sides in, and then up here, when you've got your glove box down, up here, you'll see there's a tag. Follow that all the way along. There's another tag there. Push those together and pull that out. Give it a little wiggle. And out it comes. So, take that away. Put our new filter in. Taking note of which way the airflow is. Just push it back in from whence it came. Job done. See you soon.